Okay, final update on the bar. So got it done finally, and here's the results. Got the knobs on, cabinets and the drawers, countertop all lit up, and pretty awesome. So we'll turn it off and see what it looks like with it off. Ultimately pretty happy with the area. Got the mini fridge set up, and then the bar, it's got all of our snacks and the electronics and everything for the Yale wire in there, drinks, microwave, snacks, the whole works. And with the bar back on, and ultimately pretty happy with it, except for the striping. I'm not really sure what's causing that, and I've noticed that when the LEDs have been on for a while and they get hot, they tend to short out in spots, and not really sure what's causing that. I think I'll pull the countertop off and solder it instead of using these fancy quick disconnect things that you end up getting for them. But all in all, really nice. You can see the pattern really nicely in the tile when it's lit up. Doesn't cause a whole lot of issues with the brightness being too bright when the movies are playing. So in fact, I'll kill the lights. And as you can see, just a nice ambient glow. I don't have the screen on, but it's kind of cool to see the EL wire all lit up. But in any case, gives you an idea. It's bright enough to where you can come back here and see what it is that you're doing. Use the microwave, use the sink, and not distract from the movie when it's done. I'll update here pretty soon showing the finished theater, so I'll have that up in a little bit.